Hi, my name's Mark. I'm a DVSA driving examiner. I've been doing this role for about 12 years now.
What are the benefits of private practice?
The main benefits of private practice is just practicing the things that they've been doing with an approved driving instructor again. The more hours you spend on the road, the more you are likely to pass your driving test because you've dealt with a lot more situations than most people have when you're on the road for a long time.
What are the requirements for someone to supervise you in private practice?
The main requirements are they've held a driving licence for a minimum of 3 years, they're over 21 years of age, and they're going to sit in the front seat next to the person that's driving. Obviously the car needs to be insured for the person that's driving as well.
What is your main advice for parents supervising their children when learning to drive?
I say the main points were to keep calm, speak to the candidate's approved driving instructor to make sure that you know what they need to practice. I'm currently practicing with my daughter at the moment, and it is quite a difficult scenario. There's lots of information on the government website about how to keep calm. There's lots of information about the strategies to use and the people to talk to if you get into any problems.
To ensure that you're test ready, check out the DVSA Ready to Pass checklist. You can either find this linked in the description or on the government website.